Can you hear Jill?
All right, perfect. So it looks like both of her ears are passing this test.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks great so far. Can we take it out? Oh, good girl.